Assalamu alaikum. Here is an activity which shows or by which we can understand the phenomena of diffusion. Here, in any container, we can take water. Like in here, in beaker, we have taken some water and we added here copper sulfate crystals. Instead of copper sulfate crystal, we can use any dye. You can use any color. So, and we leave for some time. After some time we will see that they started dissolving in it even without stirring. Means like even you don't disturb it, you just kept it aside, and you will find that after some time the whole water will be colorful. Here what happened here? Diffusion means when we added some color, so they are the more number of molecule of the color here, and they started diffusing to the lower concentration where they are not there. So they started diffusing, and as a result they just dissolve in the whole water, and the color of the water is changed. So the this color of the water is changed because of the process of diffusion. Now another process is osmosis. Now let's start osmosis. Osmosis is also the movement of water or the solvent molecule from a region of its higher concentration to a region of its lower concentration. So here this is the in this process, or by this process, the movement of water molecule or solvent. So the solvent molecule, they just move from higher concentration to the region of its lower concentration. So higher concentration means you can say dilute solution, and to a region of lower concentration, that lower concentration means concentrated solution. Higher concentration means more molecules, and here we are talking about movement of water or the solvent molecule. So it moves from higher concentration to the lower concentration. So when we talk about water, means higher concentration means more water molecule. More water molecule means it is diluted solution. So osmosis is a process by which the water molecule or the solvent move from its higher concentration to the lower concentration, but through the semi-permeable membrane. Means here the movement occur across the semi-permeable membrane. There in diffusion, this condition is not there. Means they just move from one medium to another medium. But in osmosis, when the water molecule or the solvent move across the semi-permeable membrane, then this process is known as osmosis. And this process continues until the concentration of solution is the same on both sides of the membrane. So a semi-permeable membrane is one that can allow the passage of water or solvent molecule but prevent the entry of solute molecules. Solvent and solute we know, yes. Solvent is a liquid in which the what you can say, something we dissolve, and like if we dissolve water in if we dissolve salt in water, the salt is solute and the water is solvent. So here the movement of solvent molecule occur through this process across the membrane. Now for better understand, we just can do this experiment. Here two solutions are there. One is dilute solution. Here you can see that